Hey. You're amazing. You were a little bit fast on that downhill. Did you? You felt in control the whole time? That was hard for me, bud. It was hard for me. Yeah. God damn it, Jack, slow down. I must have superpowers, rap 225,000 hours. Get a calculator, do the math. I made 1,000 songs that made you move it. And for the last 300 months, I made 16 albums with me on the front, and they bump. I'm good. You don't worry about me. I'll tell you if I'm not good. Up here, I saw some rock. So stay on the right. There it is. You see it? You got really close to it. Did you see it? Did you get in your big ring to get through here? Oh, you're in it now. You're a beast. Of course you are. All right. Be smart, okay? Look way ahead of you. Don't go too fast. Big ring. Excuse me. Is there a little kick up here, or is this all down? All down, are you sure? So, yeah, I don't know if I count this a small kick, huh? Find an easier gear. You're grinding. But I'm crazy, you don't want to be like me. I come from East Oakland where the youngsters get like me. Blow it. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Too short. Up all night, baby. Album number 16. Yeah, we were. Knows when to use his brakes. Kid is smart.
Did somebody say
knee up in the corner. Smart. Got the flashing lights on. Smart. Then it drops. There he goes. Smart. Got his fingers on the brake. Smart. Switches his knees for the turns. Smart. He's looking ahead. Smart. That microphone, that Ninja Jones, that in the zone, that watch that volume of your dome. I'm putting very niggas in a state of shock. And I'm a killer wheel, but nigga, check my pit block. So bust that. A little bit wide there. That's probably smart. There's cars on the road.
Like that Wolverine, deadly like that octagon. Feel to the fucking heart, crooked like the Pentagon wrecker. Niggas get jumped like veterans. So what's the use in fucking thought if I can fuck downhill? So check my reference, if I won't check it, hitman killer tactics. Niggas get buried face down in silver plastic, motherfucker. Niggas get split like a wishbone. Digger dope, bigger coat. Nigga Mr. Jim Joe, the fat rat dominator. Microphone terminator. Quick to break the neck of an E40 imitator. Nigga don't front. You know I got you open with more Raider in me than they ever had in Oakland. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell, I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell, I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell,
right over that seam,
but I'd rather be a killer whale.
Look for those black seams, don't go over them.
I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale.
Those black seams in the road, there's black.
Nigga, check my turn away.
I'm talking about the real dark black.
Your dog is up the ruin thighs. The most hated motherfucker in the Frisco Park. And Tommy Tucker's that talk.
Yeah, you did on one.
Like a hawk, looks like a post, like a deer. When you see me,
you never know if it's raised or not.
Oh, I'm on your sit. You fucking
Another ranger.
Some sugar and some
both of them are going up there.
These niggas step up and get hung like a duck, cause I'm the dirty worm hunter, the caterpillar killer. Attitude just like a ruthless Cuban coke dealer in Miami. Nothing but the money and the power. A deadly mix at 6 for 6. I'm sorta like a tower or a tanker. A motherfucking Iraq tanker. Nigga raise up and get dropped like an anchor. And guardian angel long and straight gonna rip right on the spot. Cause all you are voluntary, unpaid rent a cost, and I'm a factor. Better yet, a motherfucking force. Now I gotta shoot you like a broke leg horse in pain. Nigga, break me off, beneficial. Motherfuckers praise Nito Brown and Felix Mitchell, big bread. You motherfucking smart for the fed. These niggas try to whisper, but I heard what you said. I'm like, whoop, I know food, but you don't have a clue. Nigga, fuck me, no, nigga, fuck you. Fuck them motherfuckers, I don't duck them motherfuckers. I say fuck them motherfuckers, I don't trust them motherfuckers. So without a doubt, I'll turn it out, I ain't got no time to clown. My first words are to the point, nigga, lay it down. So rock me up because I'm dope and triple beat the scale. 311 is my birth, but nigga, I'm a killer whale. Got you all you motherfuckers that just can't tell. I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell. I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell. I'm a Pisces, but I'd rather be a killer whale. To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell. I'm a Pisces motherfucker.
Mac players, ballers, grinders, yeah, I'm the real true pimp of the year.
Beautiful sunset. Look far ahead. Make sure you're not looking just in front of you. Look far ahead. Just like when you're playing soccer. Look far, look close. Look far, look close. Ooh, I didn't see him. I heard him though. I didn't see him. You saw rocks? I felt my tire go over him. Good call, bud. Thank you. Say right or left. Rocks on the right, rocks on the left. Okay, you tell me. Black snake. My brakes are humming, they're getting hot. My disc brakes are screaming at me. Yeah, disc brake fade. Shit, gotta slow down, I'm losing my brakes. Black snake, thank you. give up. Jack says, don't worry. Jesus, he's right. Dude, just in time, I lost my brakes. You hear them? You hear my brakes? I lost my brakes. Holy smokes. Woo! My man.
Hey, let me take this off.
What off? Come here. I'll take it off till you come and see me. Oh, cool. So you pop those two.
Yep.
Here, you grab it.
You did it.
I did it. You ran me hard on that one, bud.
Yeah.
You ran me really hard.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you. Yeah, it was easy for you, huh? It was hard for me. It's probably the hardest ride I've done since I started riding again, since you were born. Actually, I did a century after you were born. And this is how you tell how much time's left before the sun kisses the mountains. Exactly 1 hour, 4 knuckles, maybe an hour and 10 minutes.
Mine is
What does yours say?
45.
45? Stretch your arm all the way out. Oh yeah, dude, my bad. 45, 55. Yeah, mine says 55. I get 4 fingers, almost 5. This kid, when I was finishing work, got the rack down and put the bikes on and got us all ready to go.
Like we did a ride.
Where's Umunhum?
Right
There it
over. Somewhere.
Right between us. There's Umunhum right
Right there.
between us. Me and my boy hammering another ride. That one felt really good.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Really hard going up, but I felt pretty good now that we're down.
Yep.
Love you, buddy.
Love you.
I don't know, man. I feel pretty good. Hey guys.
Ray's like, what do I do?
Yeah, waiting for this guy.